Hi guys, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel after a long time. Okay, so in today's video we are going to discuss about a statistics module in Python. Okay, we have three major functions inside this statistics module. Those are mean, median and mode. The input we need to pass inside this function, that is the data. Okay, it is represented as data here. It should be a set or a sequence. You can say what is mean by set or a sequence. It can be a string or it can be any, it's just like sequence of values. Okay, it can be a string, it can be a tuple, it can be a list. Okay, we are passing into it. If I am failed to pass any data inside this function, for example, if I was about to send an empty value, empty data inside this function, it will throw an error. Okay, what error will be thrown will be seen next to it. Yeah, coming to the mean, this is something called average. If you want to find average of the value which has been passed inside this function, then we will be using average method, that is mean. Here the method name is mean. One thing you need to keep in mind, in Python everything need to be in lowercase. Most probably everything will be in lowercase, so care should be taken with the case. It should not like this mean should not be capital letter. That to denote that only I have included that mean function in the heading also in the lowercase only. Okay, yeah, we will see this with an example now. Yeah, so I'm going to import statistics module. Okay, I'm going to import the statistics module. Fine. So next I'm going to create one list. Okay, something. Okay, I'm creating list. I need to find mean. So I'm passing that list over here. So the mean should be 3.5. How this 3.5 I've got by means of adding every number and dividing it by the total numbers. Total numbers in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is not like I'm counting. We have 6 numbers and I'm adding all the numbers divided by 6. That will be 3.5. Okay, if I'm passing empty list stat dot mean, I'm not passing anything inside it, then I will be getting an error to it. Okay, it means data should not be empty. It means missing one required argument. Got it, right? Next thing we will discuss about median. Okay, what is this median so called? Actually it will returns the middle value of a numeric data. Okay, fine. Then this is the main important thing about a median. We need to consider two things in median. The total number of terms should be either odd or even. Yeah, of course it will be either odd or even. Odd number count will be there or even number count will be there. If it is an odd number, then the middle data will be taken as the result. If it is even number, then the median is interpolated by taking the average of two middle values. Actually, if it is an even number, you are confused to take which is middle value, right? You will get two middle values. You have to find the average of that two values and the result will be that particular average value. Okay, here also the same thing, statistics error will be raised if in case the data set, the particular data you're passing is empty. Fine. Yeah, we will discuss with an example now. Okay, I'm going to consider okay, for a change I'll consider tuple Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3. So this is even number, right? This is odd number, 1 2 3, 3 values only it is containing, so it is even. So if I'm trying to find median for this, stat dot median of t, if I'm trying to find like this, it will show me 2. Okay, yeah. Another case, tuple 2, I will make as second tuple, which is if I'm having like 2 comma 5 comma 7 comma 4 comma, okay, 1 2 again, okay, 1, something like this. So it is like 1 2 3 4 5 6, totally 6 digits are there. It means they are even in number. I'm trying to find the median for this. TUP2. Okay, if I'm finding this, I'm getting 3.0. How I'll get 3.0? So you have to find the average for this particular thing. 7 plus 4 is 11, right? So 11 divided by 2. How come the average comes? Okay, so 11 divided by 2 is 5.5, right? So or else I think it will be sorted first. Okay, sorting in the sense how it will be like 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7, it will be like that, right? Wait, let me check the same thing. Stat dot median, I'm providing here, okay, as 1. So I have to provide those values in a sorted manner. Okay, median task, just a minute, I think we supposed to provide it in a tuple bracket so that it will take as a tuple has been passed inside it. Yeah, it has been provided as 3.0. The reason is 4 plus 2 is 6, right? So we couldn't find the middle value of this 6 number because we will be getting two middle values, which is 2 comma 4. Okay, so 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 divided by 2, which is average. I'm finding the average for the middle two values. So 6 divided by 2, which is 3.0, which I'm getting. Because of this only I have already got here 3.0. Okay, it will be sorted first, from in ascending order, then the answer will be found out. Okay, yeah. Next we are going to discuss about mode. Mode is very simple compared to the other. The thing is like here we will be finding most often repeated data in your collection. Okay, if you can say in my collection multiple number of data are repeated. Okay, if that is the case, it will take a thing which is like most repeated data will be chosen as an answer. Here also data should not be sent as a empty data. Okay, yeah, we will check with an example. Okay, I'm considering one, we will take list itself as an example. List here I'm taking as 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma 4 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, so if this is my list, then what you feel like which will be taken as a mode 1, stat dot mode of L, which you will be thinking as the answer will be 4, because as you see 1 is also repeated, 4 is also repeated, but 4 is repeated more number of times, so that will be considered as an answer over here. I'll consider L1 I'll take. Okay, so L was because I used L above, right? So I'm choosing like this. So if nothing was there as a repeated value, then what will be my value? So empty. I hope so. We'll check it that also. L1 mode of L1 is like, here I couldn't find anything as no, here you could see no unique mode. You couldn't able to see no unique value as repeated more number of times. So I'm returned with an error. Fine. Okay, the same thing will be happen. I mean, the error thing will be happen. For instance, if I'm thought of sending an empty list into this particular mode method. Got it right? I'll check one more scenario where I'm having two values as a repeater with the same number of times. Then what will be my result? Okay, so I'm going to use a tuple only here. So inside this tuple, I'm going to use 2, 2, 4, 4, 3, 5. So here I could say like I've been using 2 times, 4 2 times, 3 1 time, 5 1 time. I'm not sure whether I'll be getting 2 or 4. So based on the answer, we can finalize it. Yeah, if this is a case, it shows an error. Okay, so common values, it found 2 equally common values. Okay, there it shows 4 equally common values. It means 4 numbers are unique and it has took 4 values. Okay, it took 4 modes. Okay, here it has chosen 2 modes actually, because 2 times is there, 4 2 times is there. So it took 2 things. So yeah, sorry. So 2 equally common values. So it is unable to find the exact mode which we are looking for. So this is how mode works with. And if any queries you have, kindly drop it in comments. And yeah, thank you for watching.